Hi guys, and thank you for watching Marjana's Kitchen. Today we'll be showing you how to make this beautiful, mildly spiced chicken keema burger. It's mouth-watering and delicious. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 kg of chicken fillets, 2 large onions, finely sliced, green coriander, chilies, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger, add salt to taste, mix curry powder and cumin powder. Right then, let's get cooking. First add 2 spoons of mixed curry powder. That's 2 teaspoons, sorry. We also have another video about how to make curry powder on our YouTube channel. One teaspoon of cumin and add salt to taste, or 2 teaspoons as she has added. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, gives the kebabs an amazing colour. Add the crushed ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of each. Add green chilies. You don't have to add this, but we like it quite spicy. And a generous amount of coriander leaves. Then add the finely chopped onions, 2 teaspoons of garam masala to give it a punch, and then combine all the mixture together. Add dry chili flakes if you want it even spicier. Once all the mixture has been combined and blended together, we're going to cover it up with some cling film and pop it into the fridge. Now I'm going to use my burger press. This is super simple and easy to use. Just pop the keema into the burger press, squeeze it down together and press it, and it's done. Heat some oil in a hot pan. Brush a little oil or butter into the burger press on both sides. Add a little bit to your fingers. Grab some keema, put it into the mould and firmly press it down evenly. Et voila! Perfect round burger. Add it into the pan and start sizzling away. Grill both sides until they turn nice and golden and crispy on the outside. These burgers are amazing to make and quick and easy. If you've got a party or a barbecue or guests coming over, they're so quick and easy to make and delicious to eat. We really hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Marjana's Kitchen on how to make kebab burgers. Thank you for watching Marjana's Kitchen. Please like and share, and don't forget to hit that huge subscribe button.